Checked.
Hey guys, it's Bree the Blind, or Bree, whichever you prefer. And I'm back today to play some more
Hearthstone row 1, Hearth.
Hope everyone is having a good day. It is morning here as I record this. I hope everyone has slept well last night, or if it's night for you, I hope you will sleep well. I slept okay, and yeah, so if you like stuff like this, please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all those fun things. We are still playing Hearthstone's ranked mode, so we will be doing that in just a second. And yeah, hope everyone enjoys.
Play standard 1 of 2. Play wild 2 of 2. Play wild. Choose your deck 1 of 3. Choose your deck 7 of 13. 6 of 13. Wild. Druid. Wild 5 of 13. Finding opponent. Please wait.
It may be times I'll pick a different deck, and that's because sometimes if you pick something different, it just helps their levels rise up as well. So I'm not playing Jane today, and that's okay. I love her most of all, but I want to play somebody else today, so that's what I'm doing.
Valeera versus the Lich King.
You're playing against GWWFDCKXMQY, the Death Knight. You start with 3 cards. You go first. Starting hand. Keep or replace cards. Waiting for opponent. Your turn. You have 1 mana. You drew Gnomish Inventor. Hand. Elven Archer 1 of 4. 1 mana. Summon. Choose a target.
Shot,
Opponent's hero.
Kill.
You summoned Elven Archer. Your opponent's hero. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent played the coin. Gain 1 mana crystal this turn only. Your opponent gained 1 mana. Your opponent summoned Murloc Tidehunter. 2/1 Battlecry. Summon a 1/1 Murloc Scout. 1 Murloc Scout was summoned into your opponent's hand. Nightblade 1 of 4. 5 mana. Bloodfen Wrap 2 mana. Summon at the... You summoned Bloodfen Raptor. Minions. Elven Archer 1 of... Choose
I'll give
opponent's
it a
minions.
shot.
Murloc Scout 2 of 2. Opponent's hero. Your Elven Archer attacked your opponent's hero. Your opponent's hero. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Noyotron. 1/2 taunt. Divine Shield. Your opponent's Murloc Tidehunter attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's Murloc Scout attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Turn ended. Your hand. Nightblade 1 of 4. Gnomish Inventor 2 of 4 mana. Iron Forge 3 mana. Summon at the right. Choose a target.
And loaded.
Opponent's minions. Murloc Tidehunter. Murloc Scout 2 of. Anoyotron 3 of. You summoned Iron Forge Rifleman. Your opponent's Anoyotron lost Divine Shield. Minions. Elven Archer 1. Choose a target. Opponent's minions. Anoyotron. Your Elven Archer attacked your opponent's Anoyotron. Your minion died. Minions. Bloodfen. Choose a target. Opponent's minions. Anoyotron. Your Bloodfen Raptor attacked your opponent's Anoyotron. Your opponent. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
Shield first, and then you can go after the other ones after that. So that sucks that I had to kill my archer, but what else could I do?
Your opponent summoned Raid Leader. 2/3 Your other minions have 1 attack. Your opponent's minions gained 1 attack. Your opponent's Murloc Tidehunter attacked your hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Your opponent's Murloc Scout attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Turn ended. Your turn. Hand. Nightblade 1 of 4. Gnomish Inventor 2 of 4. Summon at the right. You summoned Gnomish Inventor. You drew Deadly Poison. Hand. Nightblade 1 of Goldshire Footman 2 of 4. Deadly Poison 3. You have 0 out of 4 mana. Play
I
card.
don't have
Not
enough
enough mana.
mana.
Deadly Poison 4 of 4. Minions. Bloodfen Raptor 1 of 3. Choose a target. Opponent's minion. Murloc Scout 2. Raid Leader 3. Opponent's hero. Your Bloodfen Raptor attacked your opponent's minions. Iron Forge Rifle. Choose a target. Raid Leader. Opponent's hero. Your Iron Forge Rifleman attacked your opponent. You have no valid plays. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
Let's see what we get next time.
Your
My
opponent summoned
shield
Defender of
for
Argus.
Argus.
3/3 battle cry. Give adjacent minions 1/1 and taunt. Your opponent's Murloc Scout and your opponent's Raid Leader gained taunt, 1 attack and 1 health. Your opponent's Raid Leader attacked your hero. Your opponent's Murloc Scout attacked your hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Your opponent's Murloc Tide Hunter attacked your hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 5 mana. You drew Nightblade. Hand. Nightblade 1 of.
They'll
You summoned
never
Nightblade.
know what hit 'em.
Your opponent's hero took 3 damage. Minions. Bloodfen Raptor 1 of. Choose a opponent's minions. Murloc Scout 2 of 4. Raid Leader 4 of. Murloc Scout 2. Raid Leader 4 of 4. Murloc Scout 2 of 4. Your Bloodfen Raptor attacked your opponent's Murloc Scout. Both minions dot minions. Iron Forge Rifleman 1 of. Choose a target. Opponent's minions. Opponent's minions. Raid Leader 3 of 3. Your Iron Forge Rifleman attacked your opponent's Raid Leader. Your minion died. Minions. Gnomish Inventor 1 of 2. Choose a target. Opponent's minions. Your Gnomish Inventor attacked your opponent's Raid Leader. Your opponent's minion died. You have no valid plays. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Replicating Menace. 3/2 Magnetic. Death Rattle. Summon 3/1/1 Microbots. Your opponent summoned Abusive Sergeant. 1/1 Battle Cry. Give a minion 2 attack this turn. Your opponent's Defender of Argus gained 2 attack. Your opponent's Murloc Tide Hunter attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's Defender of Argus attacked your hero. Your hero took 5 damage.
See if that's the thing while I have.
Turn ended. Your opponent's Defender of Argus lost 2 attack. Your turn. You have 6 mana. You drew Iron Forge Rifleman. Hand. Goldshire Footman 1 of 5. You have 6 mana. 1 mana. Goldshire Footman. Summon it.
Ready for action!
You summoned. Hand. Deadly Poison 1 of 4. Deadly Poison 2. Nightblade 3 of 4. Iron Forge Rifleman 4. Summon at the right. Choose a target.
Locked and loaded.
Opponent's minions. Defender of Argus. Replicating Menace 3. Abusive Sergeant. Opponent's hero. Your hero. Opponent's hero. You summoned Iron Forge Rifleman. Your opponent's hero took 1 damage. Hero power. Dagger Mastery. You used Dagger Mastery. You equipped Wicked Knife. Your minions. Gnomish Inventor 1 of 4. Choose a target. Opponent's minions. Murloc Tide Hunter. Defender of Argus 2. Your Gnomish Inventor attacked your opponent's Defender of Argus. Your minion died. Your hero. Choose a target.
Here we go.
Opponent's minions. Defender of Abusive Sergeant. Opponent's hero. Your hero attacked your opponent's hero. Your opponent's hero took 1 damage.
Choose soon.
Minions. Night. Choose it.
This one's
Opponent's minion.
mine.
Defender. Abusive Sergeant. Opponent's hero. Your Nightblade attacked your opponent's hero. Your opponent's hero. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
I didn't know that was available to us now. We can get the hero. So that makes it a lot.
Your opponent summoned Murloc War Leader. 3/3. Your other Murlocs have 2 attack. Your opponent's Murloc Tide Hunter gained 2 attack. Your opponent summoned Regil Razorhaw. 3/1 Rush.
Hate Murlocs.
Your opponent summoned Abusive Sergeant. 1/1 Battle Cry. Give a minion 2 attack this turn. Your opponent's Murloc Tide Hunter gained 2 attack. Your opponent's Defender of Argus attacked your Goldshire Footman. Both minions died. Your opponent's Replicating Menace attacked your hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Your opponent's first Abusive Sergeant attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Your opponent's Murloc Tide Hunter attacked your hero. Your hero took 6 damage. Your hero died. Press enter to continue. You've gained 7 XP. You can't lose stars at this rank. Quest progress toast. Play 30 cards. Current progress is 13 out of 30. Play wild. Choose your deck 1 of 3.
And that is that game. Hope everybody enjoyed, and I will see
OBS Studio 30. OBS Studio 30.2.3. Start streaming checkbox. Stop recording checkbox.